Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this one we're going to cover the difference between classical NLP models, natural language processing models, and large language models. So let's take a look at the differences. In classical machine learning models we have some labeled inputs, and based on a specific optimized machine learning model you get a result which is corresponding to the purpose of the model. So if it was trained on text summarization, then you have now a model that is capable of summarizing text. Then if you have created a different data set and trained a model with a different objective, then you might have a Q&A model or a pure model for text generation or translation. So you had very specific expert models for different fields. That was in the old days, but with large language models it changed a bit. So the way the models are trained are slightly different. It's less curated on a specific task. It's on a high level, it's a lot of unlabeled data input. Then you have one model instead of several ones. So then we have here our large language model. And as a result, this single model is capable of all the things for which you needed different models before. So this is the sheer power of large language models, the versatility of these models. And these expert models are also called narrow AI because they are very narrow in their scope and they were dedicated to specific tasks. We will see some of these tasks also in this course. So we are going over it here. We have, for example, text classification in different formats. We have translation. Fill mask means that you have a sentence with a blank and then this blank is filled with a proper word. You have text generation. You have token classification. So basically the different objects in a sentence can be categorized into specific areas. You have question answering models, and the last one is relevant when we are talking about vector databases. You can also use it for analyzing the similarity between sentences. Alright, now we have talked about narrow AI, and in the next lecture we are going to talk about the achievements of very specific narrow AI models. Thanks a lot and see you there.